Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to enable sending new DMs between members on your Discord server with the updated method for 2026. If your members can't message each other in private or if the DM option seems disabled, don't worry, the fix is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into the server where you want to allow members to send direct messages. Once you're on your server, tap the server's name at the top of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, go ahead and choose Settings. This takes you into your server's main setup area where you can adjust all kinds of permissions and privacy controls. Now, scroll down until you find the Invites section. Tap on it. Inside this menu, you'll see a few different settings related to who can invite others and how those invites work. Next, look for the option called Pause Invites and tap on it. This is where Discord stores a few additional restrictions that might be affecting DMs between members. Here's the key step. You'll see an option labeled Pause DMs. If that toggle is turned on, it means direct messages between server members are currently blocked. All you have to do is toggle off the Pause DMs option. Once you've turned it off, make sure to hit Save before leaving the settings menu. That saves your changes and immediately re-enables the ability for members to start new private conversations with each other. And that's it.